This is not happening. Don't you die on me. Clear! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. No. Oh, please, no. No. Why? Family, no. Don't go to her delay. We have so many good times together. It's right before football season. Don't leave me like this.
It's gonna be okay.
How do I say goodbye? So yeah, I don't know how many of y'all know. I know in Texas, our power grid is not the most stable thing. So we had, the power went out some like 3 or 4.
Yeah, it was like 3 or 4 days, yeah, in a row.
Like in the span of 3 or 4 days, power went out, I don't know, 6, 7 times. A couple times, like right back to back, you would flip on, coming in. So it just, I don't know what happened to the refrigerator. It killed the refrigerator is the main thing.
And at first it was like the refrigerator was beeping, but we didn't know it was the refrigerator that was beeping.
We're all trying to figure out, because we got a bunch of equipment, right? We got PlayStations and computers and all sorts of Xbox. We're like, what is it? So we're all trying to push buttons and reset, because some of that, like my PlayStation does reset itself when the power goes, so it does beep, but that wasn't the actual, there was beeping, but that wasn't the beeping we were hearing.
And I was looking at the alarm system, because I thought the alarm system was beeping, because it does that when the power goes out too. So I'm over here pressing buttons and nothing is happening. I checked the washing machine because it sings now when it's finished. I'm like, is the washing machine off? What's going on? So come to find out, it was the refrigerator.
Right before football season, y'all. There's never a good time for your refrigerator to die, but right before football season, I guess next to Thanksgiving would be probably the worst time for, me and the refrigerator have a very, very loving relationship, or had. I still can't, used to say it past tense, I still can't believe it's gone.
Y'all imagine trying to cook dinner for 5 people with no refrigerator.
And make videos about cooking for 5 people.
Yes, it's a struggle.
We're going to the store. What do we need for today? This much milk. Once we open this milk, we gotta
drink it.
Drink it, cook it, whatever we're doing with this milk, it's got to be done today.
Yes, eggs, we gotta eat that whole dozen.
I mean, that's something I can do, but my doctor don't prefer that I do that every day, obviously.
It's crazy. So what we ended up doing is we went out and got a mini fridge, and it's just to tie us over until we get the actual refrigerator. So with the mini fridge, it only holds so much. Like he said, we can only get like a small thing of milk, a little small carton of eggs, and we love our coffee around here, so half and half. Trying to drink coffee and have some half and half was a challenge, because y'all know how big that half gallon is, and trying to stuff it in that small refrigerator was a challenge, but we made it work. So I looked online for an actual refrigerator, because that little mini refrigerator is not it.
I even floated the idea of putting like a mini fridge in each room and see.
Y'all, he was like, let's get like 7 mini fridges.
Maybe not even 7, maybe 4.
If you put them all over the house, 7 mini fridges all over the house.
Having a mini fridge in the bedroom probably would not be good for my cholesterol. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Who is going to be traveling all over the house trying to cook dinner and hunt for all the ingredients that I'm gonna need to cook dinner? I was
there aren't gonna be any ingredients in the bedroom. It's probably gonna be just the beverages, and maybe snacks in that fridge. Was a lot of
we probably don't even need snacks like that. We already big bag. We trying to small bag.
She says, and then coming soon, next video, 100 meals for $2. And you don't unbig your back that way.
Hey, if it's all chicken and no dessert.
There are limits even to how much chicken you can consume.
Oh, you know I eat chicken all day, every day.
But I'm talking about in terms of keeping your back small.
I can eat chicken and keep my back small.
No, because you putting sauce on that chicken, right?
No, it's when you start adding in the cakes, the pies, the cookies.
No, chicken. Barbecue chicken. And anything we black. We ain't just eating chicken.
We
just go eat the chicken.
we eating plain chicken. We eating unseasoned chicken.
That the lie detector determined that was a lie. Eating no unseasoned chicken.
Yes. So yeah, I went online and I started researching refrigerators, and this went on for a long time.
I'm talking about researching like the Matrix. I never knew how many refrigerator brands. I still don't know, but I'm sure she does.
Yes. I mean, I looked up Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, Maytag, all of them.
That's already more. But she told me what kind of refrigerator did you have growing up? Like a box. I couldn't tell you. Not a I'm sure over the course of all the houses I've lived in, I've probably owned the 6 or 7 refrigerators. I couldn't tell you the brand name of not a one of them.
I know my parents' refrigerator is a GE, and that thing is like 100 years old.
They used to make stuff like that. Then they realized that they made stuff like that, you would never buy another one. You could literally inherit your parents' refrigerator, so they had to start making them to where they come apart now.
Yes.
I mean, we can make something that can go to the moon. You tell me we can't make a refrigerator that lasts for more than 5 years? Of course we can.
Right.
But then you don't have to buy another one. So yeah, planned obsolescence, as they call it.
Yeah. And in my research, they told us do not buy Samsung, do not buy LG.
Samsung's probably catch on fire if anything like their phones.
Yeah, they say the ice maker tears up on the Samsung.
Yeah.
So what
I
refrigerator
didn't
did I
know
look at?
Samsung made made refrigerators.
They make everything. I didn't know they made that either. I didn't know they made washing machines, dryers, but Samsung makes everything.
They really
now.
do.
So yeah, we ended up going to Home Depot because it's one thing to look at these refrigerators on the computer. Now you actually have to see it in person.
You have to.
Yes, you have to see it in person. When we went to Home Depot, I was telling this lady, I was like, I've been researching refrigerators online, and I just have to come here in person.
This lady that you've never met before, and they were like best friends, talking about refrigerators and how they had to drag their husband to the store to see the refrigerator. Like online, you don't have to ever go in the store.
You got to see how big this refrigerator is. You got to see if all your food is going to fit in there. You have to see it.
It's gonna fit.
You can't see that online.
You can.
They can give you dimensions all day long. But
okay, then you know how much it's gonna fit in there if you know the dimensions, right? You know how big a dozen eggs are.
Because online it might look like it has like 10 shelves, and then you get the extra refrigerator, it's like 2, and I'm like, wait a minute, something is not right. So we have to go physically see this refrigerator.
So yes, you and your friend were doing refrigerator science. Woman's husband was trying to get her attention. She just talking. Had to call the Home Depot man over to try to sell her things. She would stop talking so we could escape.
He literally sent the Home Depot person over there so that she could stop talking. But I mean, we were talking about these refrigerators like.
Yeah, you were encouraging her. You know you're supposed to say what you would do with me. Just nod your head. Don't engage.
Yeah, I engaged.
That's crazy. You ain't do none of that to her. Y'all was just best refrigerator friends.
Yes, because we both knew like what refrigerator we wanted. We both went right to the refrigerator we wanted. And hers was the one that she wanted. It's like it had Wi-Fi. It got a camera in it.
When did they start putting Wi-Fi in the refrigerators?
We are upgraded now. They do all the things now.
I don't understand why it needs Wi-Fi. I still hadn't heard a good explanation for why the refrigerator should have Wi-Fi.
You can control the temperature from your phone. Like you don't even have to walk to the refrigerator. Like if you want to turn the temperature down in the refrigerator, you can just press a button on your phone.
Again, through my 50 years of owning refrigerators, I have never adjusted the temperature unless, like this past couple weeks, something was broken. It's cold. You put your hand in it. It's cold. Is anything melted? No. All right. The temperature is good.
Just press a button. Yeah, and hers had a camera in it, so...
Why does a refrigerator need a camera in it?
Because if you are at the grocery store and you don't remember what's in your refrigerator, you can press a button and look all inside your refrigerator to see what's... Like, you say, for instance, you don't know if you have milk in the refrigerator. You can press a button, look at that camera, and see that you don't have milk, and while you're at the store, you can just go on and buy it.
Like you said, we big bags. I can tell you how many Cokes we got in there right now.
So yeah, that was the refrigerator. It was a Samsung too, and it was nice, like $4,000. Nice.
Yes.
Now the one I want, it has AI technology. It has a beverage center on the inside. It has a freeze zone. I think it's like 5 freeze zones.
Is this a refrigerator or a fast food restaurant?
It's everything all in one.
She got a whole Buc-ee's in the kitchen.
Inside the refrigerator. So you can have like 5 different things in this one drawer, and it'll have 5 different temperatures.
Those of y'all that don't have a Buc-ee's probably have no idea what I'm talking about. Look up Buc-ee's. It's a whole. It's not just a gas station. It's like almost like a small Disney World in Texas.
Yes,
Texas.
You will get. It got like over 100 gas stations, doesn't it?
Probably easily
close to 200.
That many.
You would get lost inside Buc-ee's. That's why we don't ever stop.
And apparently now inside our refrigerator.
Yes, I'm excited. So I saw the refrigerator, and it has all the bells and whistles that I wanted. The only drawback is when somebody saw it, it didn't have handles on it.
Yeah, it's a little
He was like,
right?
how do you open this refrigerator?
I'm like, what is this? Well, since it's got Wi-Fi, you just be like, Kit, open the cargo bay doors. How? Is that how you do it? If it's got Wi-Fi, why can't it open it?
We didn't even think about our daughter.
I did.
I'm like, is she gonna be able to open this refrigerator? Because you have to reach up top to open it. But
well, the first thing I thought about, where are the handles?
Why is it built like handles.
Take the screen off of the front and put some handles on your fridge. Take the Wi-Fi out and put in some nice low-tech handles for us old people.
I wonder if you can put some magnetic handles on it. Would it be strong? It probably wouldn't be strong enough to open that door.
That's too much. It's supposed to come with handles, really.
It comes with you can switch the doors out and get colored doors. Like,
can we get a door with handles? Can we switch that
no,
out?
you can't get doors with handles. We fancy.
Technology is just a little too technological for me.
Okay, so inside the beverage center, you can have it has like a water dispenser. It has like a pitcher. You can have infused water where you pull the pitcher out, pour your water, put it back in there. It automatically refills the pitcher. Yes.
I didn't understand anything you just said. It's like, okay.
Yes, it does all of that.
Too much.
So yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and get that one. What you think? Or should we go and look at some with handles?
I mean, if you like it.
I love it. I think we should order it.
It keeps food cool, right?
That's the main.
Yeah, as long as it does that.
Yeah, keeping that food cold. That's the main purpose. Cause
you don't know what you got till it's gone.
Yes, man, trying to cook without a refrigerator. It was rough. Still rough because we still don't have, as y'all can see, we still don't have a refrigerator yet. But it's coming. And y'all stay tuned to see which one we picked out.
One eternity later.
Yeah, it is delivery day. The Home Depot guys will be here between 7 and 11, but I just checked the app and they are 2 stops away. So they said between 7:57 and 8:57. So it is like 7:30 right now. So they should be here soon and we will have our new refrigerator. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all this new refrigerator. Stay tuned. Y'all, the dilemma that we are experiencing right now is the refrigerator is too big. So they're trying to get it through the door. We're gonna find out if they can get it through the door. We'll see. I'm so disappointed. I know I guess my math was not mathing. Measurements must have been off. But I guess we'll see. Y'all, the fridge is here. It is installed. And now I just have to take all the plastic wrap off of it and we can start filling this refrigerator. I am so excited to have my new refrigerator. As y'all can see, we got the Samsung, but not just any Samsung, it's bespoke Samsung. So that's supposed to be a good brand of refrigerator. So guess we will find out. But they did have a little challenge getting this refrigerator in here, but it all worked out. He had to take the entire door off the hinges That's how big this thing was. And when I took the measurements, I'm like, this thing can't be much bigger than the original refrigerator we already had in the kitchen, but it's slightly bigger. And that's okay because it fit. My measurements measured. My math was mathing, y'all. So yeah, got my new refrigerator. All is well in the world. Now I can start back cooking and y'all can get some more cooking videos. So let me go ahead and unbox this refrigerator or unwrap it to get all the plastic wrap off of it. I'm about to fill it up with some groceries and I'm about to get to cooking. It's early in the morning. I hadn't even cooked breakfast yet. So now that I got my refrigerator, I'm fixing to cook a huge breakfast. So thank you all for hanging out with us. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you have an amazing day and I will chit chat with you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.